Hello, hello. Where are we off to today?
The first ever COSI Science Festival. COSI is the Kids Science Museum here in Columbus.
Are we super excited about going to the Science Festival?
Yes, like this much.
All right, let's go check out the COSI Science Festival. Are you excited?
What if we were in that building?
What if we
And
were?
we were all the way at the top.
Okay, so that's COSI over there. But it doesn't look very busy here.
We don't know how much word of mouth will be there.
Yeah.
Publicity.
We'll see. Pretty fast. It's way too cold for splashing today though, huh?
I want to see how cold the water is. Oh my god!
What's up?
Gotta brace it. I'm gonna check if this is earbuds.
Oh, no, it's not.
The charger?
Do you want one?
Yeah, I'll give this one to you because I don't need a charger.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You wanna come see the bus? Look how high up we are. Alright, what do you have?
Bubly.
Bubly, what flavor is it?
Chili.
Okay, give us a taste test.
She loves it.
It tastes like Sprite.
Tastes like Sprite?
It tastes like cherry Sprite. I don't like it.
No? That's pretty cool. What is that?
It's tomato plant.
Oh, I love tomatoes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Snap a picture thing that we did at the Arnold. Remember you got your picture taken at the Arnold? What'd you get? Woke up with like this little mega bites. That's pretty cool.
It's up there. Coming down.
It's coming down? You didn't think it was going to be that crazy, did you?
No. I saw it like go up and then came over here and then it went over there. And the kids went ready for it.
They did.
Let's go do some more stuff.
It's coming right for me. Good job.
Hi, guys. Hello. All right.
Suck 'em all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Wait, let me go in here. Sorry about that. I'll see what it looks like when I open my mouth.
Do you see where the camera is? You gotta go over by the camera.
There you go. Mixed up really good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Take your sauce and mix it. You're just gonna put some magical stuff in there. Mix it up.
Now you can stop. Let's see. Let's go. So he's all done. All right. right, awesome.
It's a row for 5.
Okay, sticky for 15.
Got it.
All right, I heard it.
Very sticky.
Thank you.
Sticky, sticky.
All right, come with me. I'm gonna watch it grow a little bit, okay? Just don't let your hands touch the blue stuff. What do you think?
I love it.
All right, hold still. I'm gonna get zoom in on the thing.
It grows for 5 and stays sticky for 15.
Should I touch it or is it too sticky?
You can touch it a little bit.
No, don't touch
Oh.
Oops.
it. Get you a Kleenex.
Okay, give me a Kleenex. Let's see if it even comes off. Don't touch it. Does it even come off?
Oh my gosh, you're stained permanently.
We're trapped in a tent while it's raining. It's very loud. How are you doing?
Good.
What did you think of today so far?
Good.
What has been your favorite part?
Making the thing at Columbus Day.
We're having some pizzas, some parfaits, all the good food group.
We got some chips,
Chips,
some soda.
soda. What'd you get? That's pretty cool.
This is a little tiny eye, Dad.
That's great.
Oh, what's that?
I don't know. I think some guys are building some stuff. Do you want to go see?
Yeah.
She can learn how to put on gloves first. It might take her a while to get her gloves on.
Are these actual
They're actual big hearts.
Big dots. Thinking out.
Oh no! Which answer? A or B? Oh, A is right. Good job.
Ready to go. So that was our trip to the first ever COSI Science Festival. Princess, what was your favorite part?
I liked when I got to make this and we got to see that giant jellyfish in the air.
Well, that was pretty cool.
What were your favorite things that you got at the science festival?
I got this and I got this, the NASA thing, and it opens up and you can make a rocket ship. And then I got these squishy things. And I got this thing that says Big House, and then it says Brave on the other side.
Very nice. We had a ton of fun at the first ever COSI Science Festival. We look forward to them doing it next year.
Oh, yeah.
If you've ever been inside COSI or to a COSI Science Festival, leave us a comment down below.
Or follow us on social media to see what we'll do next.